Mpower is an online platform engaging people for all ages with creative content, acting as a toolkit for mental health and wellbeing. We've been collecting footage globally with pioneer instructors to create a knowledge-based platform where we educate, inspire and transform lives. Our award-winning programs utilising education in the most transformative way possible based on the youth's culture, interests and passions. This platform will be accessible to schools, students, teachers, parents, individuals, social workers and centres alike. Firstly, for schools, Mpower offers courses that are ready to teach, structured interactive lessons based on curriculum that teachers can facilitate in class. Over 10 weeks, youth will excel in a journey of mind mastery, featuring world-class artists from all spheres, including some of the globe's most prominent MCs, research practitioners, mental health specialists, dance instructors, world-famous musicians and spoken word poets.
You look forward to it, like you want to come to school.
110% encourage schools to be involved and on board.
It's got the potential to change our society.
This innovative interactive program is based off the multiple award-winning documentary series, The Power of Sound, and allows for any teacher to be able to teach higher order thinking while combating mental health with specialists that youth respect and want to be like. We've also created an online mentoring platform, matching some of Australia's best musicians and pioneers in their fields with the right student. This online platform allows for schools or individuals to be matched by the best in the business to help guide and transform their lives. We also offer a resource centre, Mpower TV, for teachers, individuals and organisations to access videos and tutorials on all aspects of mental health. This allows for any staff member, casual teacher, centre or individual to have access to an amazing amount of activities to incorporate in their classrooms dealing with the youth's mental development. This is one of the most powerful resources a school, individual or organisation can have, to have easy access to all sorts of pioneer techniques. Whether it be a breathing lesson to start the class, to guided meditations, body percussion, drama games, beatboxing, dancing and MCing, these resources are set up for the youth to want to thrive in learning these techniques. Mpower TV hosts world-class innovators, mental health specialists, doctors, nutritionalists, high-profile artists, fitness instructors, meditation and mindfulness experts to bring together one of the largest resources for mental health to date. In addition, every student will have access to the Mpower app. This innovative design allows access to mental health services all throughout Australia, connecting at-risk youth to the help they need to engage, inspire and transform their lives. Allowing youth to take part in masterclasses by groundbreaking artists, challenge each other in self-development, access music tuition or making positive lifestyle choices, all been able to sing and record. This innovative supportive technology engages youth culture in a platform they want to use. To learning culture from global elders, mind mastery techniques, ancient wisdom, the power of our mind, forgiveness and self-actualization, Mpower is a one-stop shop that can heal and transform lives throughout our country and across the globe. Welcome to Mpower, where innovation meets mental health.